Dipu along Jesus call Kardom Kardiahem Kampu. Arni keso cicak lun pen bang suri kepso se arat Dr. Dinakaran aphan kecetong dun. Sarupathar MSC constituency aparman BJP Mandal Committee aphan Maipu Kilik amai kapado. Kardom Pini prime time aberta kathanabang nilisami velen rong parpi narjik tham bertang tanpen Dipu Amlapati CM Banglo Athengnolong Jesus Call Prayer Center Mate Kardom Kardiahem Pini Dr. Paul Dinakaran Aritengpen Kangpu Karbianglong Arata Tumaphan isi berta keme Dr. Paul Dinakaran ahinpen kevanpi Pinya da porpai kep apor Dipu Amlapati long kedamtang penang anachik klopen kikim kirang pona hem patangsi Pini Dr. Paul Dinakaran atum hem isi pensi bangso Jesus Call Kardom Kardiahem ingpuponlo Bangso Jesus Call Kardom Kardiahem long Jisu aphan proy rap akorte ingjir atum zoan chardom damlong po lapen Christian kali atun setami aning ke hangdo pulute chardom damlong ji
Was in this world, I was moved with compassion for the people, and I wiped away their tears and answered all their prayers. This world is longing for that love. So I have chosen you to cry for the people. And as he said that, his whole life has been a life where he had to go through tribulation after tribulation after tribulation after tribulation. Only that brought the heart of love for other people, because he has already been there. And the Lord Jesus said, when you cry for the people seeing their tears, I will come, wipe away, see your tears and wipe away their tears. 57 years we have been doing that. Today we have 130 prayer towers, and we have opportunities to preach the gospel in public meetings, in television, social media, and so on, and pray for everyone who writes to us. And our mission is to pray. We do not have a calling to start churches or build churches, but to strengthen the churches with prayer, and strengthen the nation with prayer, and wipe away the tears of the people through prayer. And as my father was proceeding in this mission of prayer in 83, the Lord said, start prayer towers so that people will not wait for you. One Dinakaran cannot do everything. Your sons and daughters should prophesy. So raise people who have the same burden to pray for others. And he asked us to establish a prayer tower where people can come anytime.
Bangso Jesus Call Ahem Kang Pualong Dipu Government College Professor Lily Terangpi United Christian Forum Chairman Reverend Athang Shibu Convener Reverend Benting Tiron Reverend C. Ruat Kima Pen Danglok Jisu Aphan Kroy Rabrap Akorti Ing Jiratum Chitong Dunsi Mesen Pen Jesus Call Kardom Kardiahem Ing Pupon Dipu Pen Sarjip Kathar Karbianglong Live Ajak ding Kluipen, Karbianglong Arat Kachong Hong Prong, Dr. Paul Dinakaran, Pini Dipu Christian English High School, Patua Klamalong, Keso Kyun E Tabapan, Arnam Kardompi. Arnamarat Kapachan Ponjiapan, Akimang Pon, Dr. Paul Dinakaran, Evangeline Paul Dinakaran, Samuel Dinakaran, Ahem Isietu, Pini Dipurong Supialong, Kardom Kardi Amay Padupon. Bangso amayalong kachatong dunjiapan Karbianglong lapen West Karbianglong atok anu kido aranatum Dr. Paul Dinakaran atawapan nang kachatong dunjiapan ada porpai troxy pen arni kiso chichaklun pen suri capso se armuatung chingrum dun Bangso ho Dr. Dinakaran ahin pen ki ongdung akiso atawapan arnam ardom PC kiso pamipon
Plan of God. And according to Psalm 1:3, everything we do prospers. Yes, when the word of God comes to you every day, you will prosper in your studies, prosper in your job.
Bangso kardom penajok penangan atum keso medunsi haki cipidun lapen an parta keso keme pen aning karong cipidunsi dan setame cipipon rinti.
Nang do noi pu nang ka ne bang abi nang ka pin khada bang abi bonta nili ni jahan ben ki du na joi ni nili ok nili pranta mi sen lo la pen pinia ni an ban ki nili no kan thongta nili akime chilong lo lo
Sang sikitu, nasi pinya bang ke nili me keso lu, nili me kri ke klo, lahai ke meyang thai ke thai long si. Nili hin pen, ninging sam yin pen, alang kam along, maka Yesus Kristo ham, nili testimoni cipi dole.
Pini bangso kardom kardia mayalong Ipu Government College Professor Lili Terangpi, United Christian Forum Chairman Reverend Athang Shibu, Convener Reverend Penting Teron, Karbianglong Autonomous Council IM Pradip Rongpi, MAC Pabitra Rongpi, MAC Richard Tongbi, Karbianglong DC Pen Danglok Ke Ongdung Ke Theke Dingatum Chetongdun. News Desk Report, Karbianglong Live. Pinia dapor pai Kresia por malongpen Balipathar BJP asai hemalong Sarupathar MAC constituency Pharman BJP Mandal Committee Maipu Kilik Amai Kapadupon. Jogeswar Syam kacapahem phupon amailong Lukhiram Rongpi ahinpen mai ke phalam the than pachinipon. Mailong aluhi sarpo aman pen APGCL Independent Director Arup Singh Rajput Rohit, Manpeng Aluhi Assam Urban Water Supply and Sewerage Board Lalit Sharma, Karbianglong Autonomous Council EM Jogat Singh Ingti, Kelangchari Abangphu Mongol, BJP Dunmaipu Roland Kiling, Dhon Singh Teron, Babul Das, VDC Chairman Riso Singh Narpen Chenglok Kithiki Dingatum Chitong Dunsi Mayalong RDP Dun. Labangso Sarupathar Constituency Mandal Committee Kilik Chipati Aphai Dujok Plot Pen Lukhiram Rongpi Aphan Maipu Anghoi Pahaipon. Lukhiram Rongpi Maipu Mandet Pen Aluhi Sarpo Manpeng Aluhi Lapen Local Committee Maipu Lapen Chunbang Atum Pen Chenglok Karbianglong Autonomous Council EM Jogat Singh Ingti Aphan Churo Pajirpon. Bukachan Pen Anon Terang Karbianglong Live. Dong mukak nupak langso patwa klamalong Ninia Pharman kapaman pon Wangala Arongaji Pini Ing Samjin Pen Pachun Pon. Phaikuni ni phai phopen kapaman pon Garo Khe Angbong Kithinai Arongaji Ingdeng Ingkorapli Wangala Festival Pini Pajupon Tanglo. Dok muka Korkanthi Constituency Kaparlu. Nupak ghat patwa klamalong kapadu Wangala Arongaji Alir Alon Pensi Talon Pon. Garo Akhe Atum Katalon Pon Wangala Arongaji Kachapati Pini Nini Kechok Arni Along Aluhi Sarpo Aman Pen Kachetong Dun Karbianglong Autonomous Council EM Lunsing Teron EM Raju Tiso Manpeng Aluhi Aman Pen Mahamaya VDC Chairman Orson Rongpi DTC Chairman Biren Singh Teron Pen Danglok Ongdung Man Kito Bang Pubang Piatum Chetong Dun Kachetong Dun Aluhi Atumaphan Cheng Muri Prakso Garo Khe Kanbarim Hehui Akikan Kapaklang Pensi Kangthum Karni Padupon Lapen man kipiang thek garua choy poho lapen phutup kipi pensi archopon rintilo Mayalong alhi sarpo aman pen Karbianglong Autonomous Council EM Lunsing Tiron pen lam theke jai ponahut pining ingdeng ingkorapli Wangala Arongaji kachipati ponalong kechengsi anong e kelong dun atirang hatubaphan jongjung pen tangka suri kep Aduntu ke hai atirang atubaphan tangka suri pho lapen ke thom anong e kelong dun atirang atubaphan tangka suri ke thom Piponji Pualamchak Chipipon. News Desk Report, Karbianglong Live. PD Prime Time Aberta Bangke Lapan Sikang Toniglong Dumi Thakmi Kardom.